Let's make one more tutorial in Autodesk Fusion. In this video, you'll learn to use the extrude, pipe, circular pattern, fillet, and chamfer. So open the Fusion and let's go. The first step to create this part, we will select the front plane and make this sketch. Here is the midpoint, and the first thing that we'll make, we'll create two circles, one circle with 30 millimeters of diameter and another circle with 15 millimeters of diameter. Then we will create these three lines here. The length of this line is 3.8 millimeters and the distance between this line and the midpoint is 10 millimeters. So open the Fusion, go to create a sketch, select the top plane, select a circle, make a circle here with 30 millimeters and create another circle with 15 millimeters of diameter and select a line. Make the three lines here. Make sure that this line is coincident with the circle and it is a vertical line. Go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And go to sketch dimension. The distance here 3.8 millimeters and the distance between this line and this line here is 10 millimeters. We made this. Go to modify, select trim, cut this arc and finish the sketch. We needed to extrude this 18 millimeters. So go to extrude, select this profile, the direction symmetric, measurement whole length and the distance here 18 millimeters. Operation new body, press OK. We made this. Now we will create this pipe here. So to create this, we will take the center arc here. So the distance between this point here and this point is 110 millimeters. And the diameter of this pipe here is 10 millimeters of diameter. So we have 5 millimeters to this side and 5 millimeters to this side. So the center circle here has 100 millimeters of diameter. So let's create this. Go to create a sketch and select the top plane. Select a circle, click here in the midpoint, make a circle here with 100 millimeters of diameter. We made this. Now we will create the profile to create this pipe here. This pipe has 5 millimeters of diameter. So to create this, select a circle and construction line type. Make a circle here with 25 millimeters of diameter and select a line. Make a line between this circle and this one. But it is not a construction line type. And go to constraint, select horizontal vertical, select this point and this point here. And finish the sketch. Go to create and select the pipe. The path, select this circle. The section size, 10 millimeters of diameter, press OK. And show the sketch tool again and go to pipe. The path, select this line here. The section size 5 millimeters. Operation join, press OK. Now we have 5 pipes here. So to make this, we'll use the circular pattern. So go to create and pattern, circular pattern, or go to circular pattern here. The object type, select the features, the object, select this pipe here, and the axis, select this circle here. The quantity here is 5, distribution full, and press OK. Hide the sketch tool. We made this. Now the fillet here and this pipe in the both side is 1.5 millimeters of radius. So go to modify, select fillet. Select this pipe here. The fillet here is 1.5 and press OK. We made this. Now the chamfer here is 1 millimeters of chamfer. So go to modify, select the chamfer, select this edge and this edge here 1 millimeters and press OK. We made this. So here we finish our exercise. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel for more, and see you in the next videos. Bye bye.